Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again this week. When? On Tuesday the 1st of August 2023. Where? Working on footpaths FP 238 Saddleworth, Tunstead Lane to Chew Valley Road, and FP 240 Saddleworth, Higher Arthurs to Kinders Lane, Greenfield. What? Clearing both footpaths and installed new waymarker posts and several waymarkers. Who? 6 volunteers were out. Ken, Mike, Paul, Keith, Kevin and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers. And thank you for watching. The faults on these footpaths were reported to Northern Footpaths Society by 2 path checkers. Footpath faults can now be easily recorded and reported to Northern by walkers using the Path Checker app. Northern Footpaths Society PNFS Path Checker app is a quick way to report footpath faults to Northern. When you are out walking and you find a footpath problem, the app allows you to identify where the fault on the footpath is and an option to select a description of the fault or enter your own description, add a photograph of the fault and send it to Northern Footpaths Society. These faults are then sent to Northern's footpath inspectors for that area. The inspector then inspects and reports the fault to the council and records the faults on the Northern Footpaths Inspection Database, FID. In Oldham, most of the footpath faults are cleared and repaired by volunteers, namely Oldham Ramblers Footpath Clearance and Maintenance Team, Oldham Council and, occasionally, by the landowner. All our volunteer work is supported by Oldham Council and Ramblers. big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.